Rama went in search of the golden deer at the behest of Sita. Then they heard a wailing cry. Sita thought that Rama was in distress and so asked Lakshmana to go and help Rama. However, Lakshmana refused to go, leaving Sita alone. Then Sita spoke harshly and accusingly, "Lakshmana, do you think I will come and live with you if Rama passes away?" One should be very careful in their words. As Lakshmana refused to go in search of Rama, Sita abused him. It led to the war between Rama and Ravana.
शुद्ध ब्रह्म परात्पर रामा कालात्मक परमेश्वर रामा शुद्ध ब्रह्म परात्पर रामा कालात्मक परमेश्वर रामा शेषतल्प सुखने